TubeIQ just got a little better. Yes, welcome back to Digital Toolcase. Some days ago I released two different videos about TubeIQ. This is my official review. TubeIQ is right now on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. Then I released a comparison between TubeIQ and VidIQ. VidIQ is very famous and it's one of the most used YouTube management tools. You can go and watch both these videos, and especially in this comparison video, I noticed some of the features of TubeIQ obviously are way less advanced comparing to VidIQ. But one thing I like about TubeIQ is that they are very active in their development, and if we take a look at these new features from, let's say, 14th of January, revise the title suggestions in Optimizer tab, or 16th of January, add sorting options for video length in Outlier, or again 20th of January and 20th of January and 23, they are continuously updating this tool. So I want to show you very quickly some of the new features, some improvements here in TubeIQ. And remember, TubeIQ is on AppSumo right now. You can find the link here below in the description. I want to show you very quickly these different plans. You have different tiers depending on your needs. Okay, so the dashboard is pretty much the same as before, so nothing changed here. But let's take a look, for example, at this AI generator section. If you watch for my previous videos, you should notice this is pretty new and different. Before, you only had this line to input your idea and then create a video. Now you can do much more, because you can choose the language, the voice for the automatic AI voiceover. You can give special instructions to create your idea with AI. You can also choose to use a custom script here if you select this option, and you can include a catchy hook. This was not here, so it's a new feature. But watch here, saved ideas. If you want, you can use these daily ideas in this section. Maybe you like one of these ideas. This section still needs improvement, in my opinion, but I'm pretty much confident they will make it way better. Let's say you like one of these ideas, you can save this idea. This will go into the saved section. You can filter with this button, and then in this AI generator, now you can use these saved ideas if you want. It's not mandatory, but this is something you can do. So we can say this section is a little bit improved. Now let's go to keyword research. Even here we have some little news, because let's try to search for something, and let's just use VidIQ, the competitor for TubeIQ, and get keywords. This section still needs improvement, I want to be clear, but they made a little step forward, because now you have some more data. You have a keyword difficulty. This is for the main keyword with the monthly searches. As you can see now, you can also export to CSV. You can analyze more than one keyword at a time. This was very messy, because you had to analyze these keywords one by clicking all these buttons. Now, if you want, you can select more than one keyword. Just click on Analyze Selected, and you will have your difficulty score and monthly searches here. A little bit more useful than before. You also can click this button to sort by questions only, if you want only to see questions in your keywords section. Again, a little step forward. It's not at the same level of VidIQ, obviously, but they are continuously developing this tool, so this will become even better. Let's go to this optimize section. Again, here we have a little improvement, because now in this suggested title section, as you can see, I don't have my three suggested titles, and this is good because this feature is consuming credits. So in the previous version I had my titles and I consumed 3 credits even without asking for title suggestions. Now, in order to have titles suggestions, you need to click on this button, so you will save some credits. And this is, in my opinion, an improvement. For the sake of this example, I will click on these suggest titles. And even this part now is improved because I have a score, so I can choose maybe a better title. And I also have a suggestion on the kind of title this is. This is emotional, this is more for SEO, this is more focused on benefits. Again, a little step forward for TubeIQ. In the thumbnail section, I think it's all as before. You have some suggestions here on different aspects of this thumbnail. In this detail section, you can also optimize description if you want. And that's it for this optimize feature. Let's go to outliers. Even here we have a little improvement, because when I made my comparison with VidIQ, I said here there is no way to choose between videos or shorts, but as you can see now they have this feature, and they also added this filter. You can filter by the length of these videos, so maybe you only want to see videos of a certain length, and you can filter by clicking on Find Outliers. A little step forward even in this outliers section. And this was just to show you how this tool is growing week after week. Remember, they also have an interesting roadmap. Here you can see the in progress features. For example, improve competitor monitoring features, so even the competitors section will become better. Output language management feature, AI generated thumbnails, long form YouTube videos to shorts, sentiment and feedback analysis, content ideation and planning, and these are all in progress. Then we have other features they will implement later. They are working on a video optimization browser extension, automated captions and translations. As you can see, they are very committed in this project, in this TubeIQ, and going forward this can really become a very good product. Again, it's on AppSumo right now. You can grab your lifetime deal. You can find the link in the description. If you like the idea to bet on this tool, you obviously have your 60-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it, and you have different tiers to choose from depending on your needs, because you have different limits on the number of YouTube channels you can connect, on the number of video analyses per month, and title recommendations, and so on. Anyway, I hope you liked this video with TubeIQ updates. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch for my previous videos about TubeIQ, you can click directly here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.